Hey, what's up, pyros? So this is gonna be my last video stash update. It's pretty much all the fireworks I'll be buying for the season, other than maybe a skyrocket here or there, or a couple other little things from local tents. So we'll go ahead and get started, and here you see I got some fuse, quick fuse, fast cake fuse, and perfect fuse. Then I got snow cone fountain by Window. Awesome fountain here. Great crowd pleaser. And then Liberty fountain by Window as well. Awesome fountain. Good duration, good effects. And at the end, there's a strobe effect behind Lady Liberty there. Statue of Liberty. It's gonna glow in a strobe effect, which is pretty cool. Alright, next one is Fortune Soldier. This one is awesome, 500 grams, lasts nearly 3 minutes, so awesome duration on this. There's performance. Back to the Liberty performance as well, in case anyone wants to. Then I picked up some 200 gram cakes. Love 200 gram cakes. This year, Window has released a new one, Top Maverick. I believe it's got silver and gold. Looks like there's some green as well. Brocade crown, horsetail, gold willows, white and green strobe crackles. Great label on there. Looking forward to shooting that one off. And Sky Bacon has come out some really good ones. This one's probably the best selling for this year. Willow Forest, amazing. Look up the video, watch it. If you see it, buy it. That right there says in the description, amazing. So you get gold willow mines, leads up to drooping gold willow breaks, an elegant and timeless display, spectacular single effect cake. Single effect, high pace, 25 shots, 35 seconds. Consistent shots coming out of this, so awesome. We got jewelry box here. And last one is Bacon Trek. So for you Trekkie fans out there, purple comments. Should be another good performer. Saw the video on that, and I was like, saw the video on these four, so had to pick them all up. Next I got Beyond the Glory Roman candles from my Roman candle rack. So I picked these up from Mega Boom Fireworks. Kind of helped him out a little bit, stocking the shelves and everything. And as payment, he gave me this highfalutin 500 gram cake. It's the first time I've actually gotten this. Really excited about it. As you can see here, this is a scratch and dent model, so I got a discount on that. So I'll open this up, make sure those tubes are straight and nothing's too bad on there, but it shouldn't affect the performance any. So what else did I get? Crackling artillery shells, assorted artillery shells, and more crackling artillery shells. While I was up in Kentucky, went by a Nightlight Little China, picked up the last 2 cases. Got the big box of bombs. Assorted case. You get all the awesome bombs there. I think hydrogen bomb is probably my favorite. Cobalt bomb is also pretty good too, but they're all awesome. And then new for this year by Magnus, Fluorescent Night. In Fluorescent Night you get appealing strobe willow, elegant chrysanthemum, fantastic crackling willow, and amazing palm tree. Saw the videos on these, really loved the tell. Just all about tells this year, I guess, comets, and so I saw those look pretty cool. Probably just pick 2 this year and shoot them off in 4th of July display and save the other 2 for next year. Same thing there, pick 2, shoot them, and then shoot the other 2 for next year. And the last thing I picked up, which I'm really excited about, probably more excited than the Winda Neon Beef. You see there, Real Tree Fireworks 5-inch Wildcat cartridges, 24 shot canister shells. And if you haven't seen these, let's zoom in here a little bit. Here's the code. Try to find the video on them. Here's the performance. Performance, the most powerful 60-gram canister shells on the market. A lot of people say that, or they state that. These are super loud breaks with great effects, including 4 fiberglass tubes. So great effects is accurate. These things, see here, they have, not only do they have awesome breaks on them, but they have tells and a strobe effect like a comet. So really excited about these. Picked up 2 boxes here. Gonna throw them in the finale. Awesome. All right, pyros, you all stay safe this season. Don't want to have any accidents out there, and have a fun, safe 4th of July. Peace.